What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0, not sponsored, self haircut. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is grab your clippers and then start, psych, that's the wrong number. you want to use the the Lawnmower 3.0 with the guard on the longest setting. And I'm just going up right around my temples, putting in that first guideline. So right away, one of the first things that you notice is that it's very difficult to get rid of that initial guideline the second you start putting it in. You can see I'm trying to flick out here and there, and it's honestly just creating more of a higher line. So as soon as I finish with this guideline, I'm gonna have to go in with my thinning shears and then fix everything up and really try to blend in the hard line with the existing length by my sides and back of my head. I don't know why, but I really had confidence in using this length to try and flick out the hair and really try to blend it in. I had confidence, it was there, but it didn't really end up working out. And so right here you can see I'm just really messing with it, flicking out as much as I can. And then you can see I'm going to be using the corners a lot. The corners actually helped a decent amount. So if you actually don't have a lever on your clippers, okay, these are obviously not meant for cutting my hair. And so if you do have a lever, you can probably flick out the line a lot easier using the lever. But if you don't, using the corners of your trimmer or your clipper is definitely going to be a great way to blend in that hard line.
Yo, this thing looks like booty. It looks like booty.
So as you guys can clearly see, I'm just really fixing up everything and trying to blend in that hard line that I made with the lever or the longest guard with the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0. And so the thinning shears, they're honestly your best friend. And this is why I heavily, recommend you guys learn how to use thinning shears, because even if you can't necessarily figure it out with the lever and the different guards on your clipper, you can use the thinning shears and they do a very good job of blending in the hard line. You guys saw how terrible, it just looked really bad. And once I started using the thinning shears, you'll see the end product soon. It just made it, a whole nother level of blend. So it's not the best blend, obviously, but it definitely helped out a lot. So with the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0, the guard only has two different lengths. So you've got the longest length, which is what I already used using the first guideline, and then this length, which is the second one, which is the more smaller one, lower length. And so with that first guideline, I pretty much just started in reverse. So I wanted to start high and then finish with the fade down low. and so I wanted to make it a reverse fade because I kind of had a feeling that it wasn't going to be a good one, because obviously there aren't any, lever. There's no lever on the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0, and there's no guards, not like a clipper would. So I worked in reverse, and so right now I'm pretty much just really trying to make it a little bit more towards the skin, take off as much hair as possible. And then after this guard, I'm going to do the exact same thing with the no guard. So right here, I'm pretty much just gonna give myself a decent lineup. Nothing crazy. Obviously, these aren't trimmers, so they're not gonna hit that good. But obviously, I'm trying to make it look good as much as I can. It's not gonna be the best self haircut on the planet, but I hope it should turn out well, and I think it did. But right here, I'm just going to the back of my head, and all that extra hair that should be cut off is getting cut off right now. Really trying to make it more towards the skin, and then just really tightening everything up, making it look as overall appealing as physically possible.
Instinct.
All right, everyone, so that was the self haircut using the Manscaped Lawnmower 3.0. Need to remind you yet again, this video is not sponsored whatsoever by Manscaped. Obviously, this isn't an actual hair cutting clipper, so I wouldn't recommend you use this to cut your hair, nor would Manscaped want me to actually sponsor them while cutting my own hair. So I don't recommend you use this, but as you guys can see, it didn't come out as bad or as terrible as I thought it would, but I'm pretty happy with how it is, and I'm probably not going to change it until 2 weeks from now when I cut my hair again. But if you guys did like this video and you found it somewhat funny and entertaining, being that it wasn't an actual clipper that I cut my hair with, make sure you guys leave this video a like and share this video with a friend. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. If you guys are interested in learning how to cut your own hair using actual hair cutting clippers and save yourself a lot of time and money on haircuts, make sure you check out my self-haircut course using the first link at the top of the description. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!